Hi everyone, my name is Katrina Miller. I go by Katrina. Some people do call me Trina. I'm from New Ringgold, Pennsylvania, so it's pretty far. It's like an hour and 45 minutes from Widener. Could take me up to 2 hours with traffic, but it's in the middle of nowhere. It's really pretty though. Um, Educational background, I went to Kutztown University and got my bachelor's in social work. So now I'm doing the advanced standing program at Widener, the part-time, since I am still working full-time. During my internship at Kutztown, interned at the Salvation Army, and I worked in the homeless shelter program. We would help single mothers get housing and then do weekly home visits with them. After I graduated from Kutztown, I took a year off and moved to Florida. It was very interesting. It was a very growing experience, I feel. I didn't end up getting a job in Florida, and with the in-state tuition, I decided to come back to Pennsylvania and came to Widener. So now, for the past year, I've been working as a family-based mental health clinician at a company called Concern. We provide therapeutic services to about 8 families, and we work with them for 8 months. It's a pretty intense program, and I really like it. It's making me grow as a professional, and I love it a lot. Self-care, I love hanging out with my family and friends on the weekends, and um, I've been looking into like yoga and meditating more and trying to work out to see about that. Self-care is very important to me. I also have been trying to journal more, and I watch TV shows. I like to read books. The sun out being outside is like my favorite thing ever. So it's like a nice weekend or a nice night after work. I love to be outside. So yeah, I mean, I hope everyone enjoys the rest of their week and the holiday, and I will see you this week in class. Bye.